I was looking for an upgrade for our 70-inch TV right there. We did go from a Vizio to a Samsung 82-inch Q70. Found an amazing deal. Let me put that up there for you right now. Here it is. I'll leave the link in the description below. Make sure to go check it out on Amazon. 44% off for a Samsung Q70 82-inch. You're going to love it. Perfect for movies, games, TV shows. This thing is set up for gaming, I got to tell you. Amazingly fast. I don't get paid for this. Always trying to bring you guys the best free games and budget gaming tech on the channel. You're going to love this TV. Early Black Friday deal, don't miss it. You could save a lot of money on a big TV. Okay, tearing this thing apart, there's little plugs you just pinch together and pull out. Literally the box falls off the TV. Make sure to have some friends help you whenever you go to put it up. We did use a mount on this to fit up to a 90-inch TV. I will make sure and leave the link to that in the video description below, just in case you want to get a big mount to mount it. I like the scissor one that you pull out and you can adjust left and right. It's definitely a good buy. A lot of work. The thing is kind of clumsy. It's not very heavy, just clumsy. Yeah, just trying to help you guys out. Here it is, setting it up in English. Real easy to walk through.
Hello and welcome. Please download the SmartThings app on your mobile to start TV setup.
Amen.
You may press the right button to set up the TV with the TV remote. The accessibility function is available when you press and hold the volume button.
Okay, I wanted to show you guys firsthand what it looks like whenever you play 4K YouTube videos on a 4K TV. This particular 4K, this 82-inch. So here's one of my videos showing you. This is the Samsung 82-inch Q70R. And as you can see, there's lots of light in here, and it has no problems at all. And as far as the sound quality, this is just the TV speakers.
Or equivalent. You're going to want at least 16 gigabytes of RAM. You're going to want an AMD Radeon RX 480, 4 gig.
See, it sounds just fine. Okay, I wanted to give you guys a look at the menu here on the TV. As you can see, it's quick, it's responsive. You can zip through all your favorites. Dish Network that we use, Netflix, Hulu, Apple TV, Google Play, SmartThings, Gallery, Internet, Vudu, Disney Plus, whatever you want. And yes, I have a PC hooked to it. Let's go to the settings menu a second. There's search, sources. Okay, when you go to settings, you can come up here. This TV has intelligent mode for the picture. Very nice. Automatically dims and brightens the screen for you. The different sound modes. You can come in with intelligent mode for the sound, which we did on standard. Or you can go into Wi-Fi settings, broadcast, your Bixby voice settings. A little something for everybody. Support if you've got software updates, questions, or maybe you just want to see the e-manual that's built in here. Here's a close-up look at the remote that comes with it. Has Netflix, Prime Video, and Hulu built in. Got your home button. It's quick, it's easy, it's thin. Works great. This is the button you hit to talk to Bixby. And there we go. Okay, I wanted to go over some of the settings here. If you go to intelligent mode and select up, you can actually go inside and change the adaptive brightness, adaptive sound, check TV space, adaptive volume. I mean, the settings on this are just amazing. You have so many options for what you can do. You can change the Bixby voice settings, system manager, networks, external device, Apple AirPlay settings if you have Apple, Eco Solutions, smart features, accessibilities, reset. And like I said, everything is really quick, really fast. You got your different picture modes, standard, natural, movie, dynamic. You can amplify the sound for intelligent mode if you're using the TV speakers. Like this right here, Bluetooth. See, I have my LG audio paired with it for a sound bar. I mean, the different settings on this are just amazing. You can have game mode that switches on and off the second you connect to Xbox, PlayStation, or a PC. Your sleep timers. Okay, and because the TV is connected to the Wi-Fi, you can go right to the internet. And then you can use the remote and do like this to control for the mouse. There we go. And just like that, bang. Quick, easy, intuitive. Yeah, I think it's something everyone will enjoy. Okay, this TV also offers notifications from your cell phone if you have a Samsung phone. Amazing. Let's go over a few more things. You can go to your different sources, universal remote, connection guides, all the different apps you can download in the App Store, Ambient Mode. Ambient Mode's actually really nice. Like if you just want to leave your TV on standby, you can pick weather. There you go. Yeah, definitely a nice feature. I mean, they have everything. They have information where you can get the latest headlines. You can do just still photos. You can have an adaptive color for the backgrounds in your home. So it kind of blends in, tells you how to use ambient mode. I mean, it's very nice. Artwork. You can pick different artwork to display. There you go. Okay, there's also connected networks. You can set the color tone on it from cool, standard, auto motion plus, whether you want it or not, PCM digital output audio formats, TV device manager. Let's take a look at that. Look at there. And it's set up just like a PC. You can do memory boost, clean your running apps, manage your storage on here, show your app list. I mean, this TV has everything. Like I said, you won't be disappointed at all playing 4K games on the Samsung Q70R. It's amazing, it's quick, the picture quality is top notch, and when it switches to game mode, you'll be very pleased you bought this TV. I know it's definitely a great purchase. I'm happy with it. Always trying to bring you guys the best free games and budget gaming tech, and sometimes high-end tech. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hey, for more great budget gaming tech, click right up here. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet and you like the content, smash right there for me and subscribe so you don't miss any great videos coming. I'll meet you there.